welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. This is another plan with me for my weekly series. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you join today. And just as a reminder, for those of you who are also returning, this is specifically for the happy planner that I work with, but of course you guys can be working with whatever planner you so choose. So today is a really fun theme for me. It is a theme that's actually after my channel name, and this is what inspired this week's plan idea. Is this really beautiful box that was given to me as a gift. Let's just take a moment to look at this. This is absolutely stunning. And I believe the box is from HomeSense. Love this bird so, so much. And when you open it up, super pretty on the inside. Yeah, and this is what inspired me for today's theme. So I wanted to do a inspired birdie type theme. So birds are my theme for today, and I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently than what I normally do. I am going to be working strictly with stickers and washi today, so no printouts no printouts from the computer like I normally do. I just love this box so much. I think I'm going to use it weekly to store all of my different planner themes inside. Super fun. All right, guys, so let me show you what I have for this spread. I have all of these beautiful birdie inspired stickers, which are all from the Dollar Tree. So we have the Jot brand and the Forever in Time. So let's start off with this one here. Look how beautiful these are. And these are new. I just picked them up this year. I would say in the very recently, the last few weeks. Now these are pop-up, so I'll probably take some of them, or try to, off of the pop-up, because I don't want my planner to be too thick, which is what happens when you use the pop-ups. And look at this one. Super pretty. I think these are my favorite. That's just because I love the flowers. So stunning. And then these ones here are more of just fun. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. I'll see. I may incorporate some of them. They're just super cute. Really, really fun. So those are the stickers. And then for background, I also have, I just cut these out already. It's cardstock. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. They have little cardstock packages that you can buy, and they're in my Dollar Tree. They're always found under the stickers. So in the craft section, there's little books you can buy, and there was sheets with just leaves on it. So I'm going to use this. I already pre-cut them. I did that in advance because I have a setting on my, I use a cutting board, and I have a setting on there so that I know how to get the exact dimensions that I need. And when I say a setting, I just mean a scribble. Literally pen mark scribbled, just to remind me. And then for washi, I have this really beautiful green, trying to zoom in here, sorry. And I believe this is from the dollar store. And then I have these two. So the birdie one is from the Dollar Tree. This one is from AliExpress. And then I just have a really thick white, and this is from AliExpress. So those are my supplies for today, and then of course my happy planner. And yeah, that's it, guys. So go ahead, grab your products, your stickers, if you're planning along with me. If you're just watching, then go ahead, grab your favorite beverage, and I hope you guys enjoy this plan with me video. All right, let's get started.
Corners of my mind, been lost and fast touched for I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Until your faith is shaken. There's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You just like it's like it's just like a magnet.
It's just